In this video, I'll show you how you can install Marvel Rivals on Epic Games Launcher. Now, usually most people download this from Steam, but you can actually also download it from the Epic Games Launcher. Simply all you gotta do is download the launcher. You can just Google Epic Games Launcher, log into your account, and then you can either search for it, or sometimes it will already be here on the side. So find Marvel Rivals, and once you have it, you're just gonna click on it, let it load the store for a little bit, and then you can simply press on the Get button. Now this is completely free and you don't need to put in your credit card or anything. Just press Get and then it will head over to your library where you can play the game. Now that's basically how it works, guys. It's super simple and there's not really much more to it. All you have to do is download the Epic Games Launcher, search for the game and press Get, and then it will start downloading. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.